In this video, we will show you how to use Snapmaker 2.0 3-in-1 3D printer with Snapmaker Luban 4.0 software for CNC carving. It will cover 5 parts, including initial settings, set up the canvas, import and edit objects, create and edit toolpaths, and generate and export G-code. Initial settings. When you first open Luban, you need to select the preferred language and your machine model. The home window of Luban consists of 3 main panes. From the Get Started pane, you can enter the 3D printing G-code generator, laser G-code generator, CNC G-code generator, or workspace. Case Library provides built-in cases for each function to help you get started quickly. Help provides various user support resources, such as the software manual and video tutorials. Here, we choose the 3-axis CNC G-code generator for demonstration. Set up the canvas. The Job Setup is a newly added pop-up window. Input the work size according to the actual size of the carving material, and select the desired work origin for the material, such as the most commonly used center. Then click Confirm. Now, you've got a canvas of the same size as your material. If you need to go back and reset the work size and work origin, click Job Setup in the main toolbar. The main toolbar also provides quick access to Home and Workspace. Click Save, and you can export the current process as a project file for subsequent editing. Import and edit objects. The left toolbar enables quick import of the objects and allows us to move or rotate the objects. Draw simple shapes and input text. In the object list below, you can quickly locate, select, and set the visibility of the objects on the canvas. Now, you can edit the object in the Edit panel of the configuration bar. If you have imported an object of STL format, you may need to select its orientation in the drop-down list first. You can also adjust the size, position, and angle of the object in the configuration bar, or drag the object directly on the canvas for such adjustments. Before proceeding to the next step, you need to determine the processing mode for the object. Take the STL object we just imported, for example. It will be matched with the corresponding processing mode by Luban. For SVG objects, you get to choose Relief or Vector mode. Create and edit toolpaths. After you've finished editing the objects, you can now proceed to create toolpaths for them. Select the object on the canvas. Click Create Toolpath. In Toolpath Settings, you can set the work speed, target depth, and other parameters based on your needs. In Toolpath List, the sort order of the toolpaths will be their processing order. If you want to change the order, you can click Prioritize or Deprioritize. You can also show or hide toolpaths in Toolpath List. Only visible toolpaths will be generated to a G-code file and appear in the preview view. You can quickly adjust the common parameters for the toolpaths under General Parameters. To select the tool used for your carving, click on it in the drop-down list of Tool. If you want to view or edit all the parameters, click More to enter toolpath settings. Or double-click the corresponding toolpath in Toolpath List. You can also customize your tool settings by clicking the gear button in General Parameters or Toolpath Settings. Generate and export G-code. When ready, click Generate G-code and Preview to preview the processing results and the processing time needed. You can tick Toolpath or Simulation to select the preview type. You can choose to export G-code to Workspace or to a file. Here, we demonstrate the former option by clicking Export, Load G-code to Workspace. In Workspace, click Wi-Fi in the Connection panel. Refresh the machine list. Find and select your machine in the drop-down list to connect it to Luban. Select the G-code and click Send to Device via Wi-Fi. Then receive the file on the touchscreen. You can start carving now. Thanks for watching.